A Madhya Pradesh policeman filmed shooting an already limp body, one of the 8 prisoners who escaped early this morning from a Bhopal prison. An amateur video that raises serious questions about the police claims that hours after the escape, all 8 were shot in an encounter.
कंट्रोल, ये 5 आदमी हमसे बातचीत कर रहे हैं, 3 आदमी वहाँ पीछे से खिसकने की फिराक में हैं, चारों तरफ से घिरवा दो, चारों तरफ से घिरवा दो। अरे अब 2 बैठे हैं, एक लंगड़ा रहा, चलते नहीं बन रही।
Another video, the authenticity of which NDTV cannot verify, seems to suggest that the escaped prisoners had tried to surrender, and one voice, presumably a policeman, is heard saying they're trying to communicate, and another which shows a policeman firing. There's controversy over the escape itself. These 8 men are said to have scaled the high walls of the Bhopal Central Jail, one of the most secure prisons in the state.
According to the police, all 8 are members of SIMI, the banned organization. 3 of them were part of another jailbreak 3 years ago. They say they timed their escape between change of prison guards and attacked one guard fatally using improvised weapons.
4 फायर आर्म्स और 3 शार्प वेपन हम लोगों ने इनसे जब्त किए हैं। इनके पास से कोई मोबाइल फोन नहीं मिला है और अगेन जैसा आपने कहा कि ये कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे थे, that again remains a matter of mystery.
But the violent escape turned out to be short-lived. Just 8 hours later came the sensational news that they had been shot and killed in a police encounter at this hilltop 10 kilometers from the prison. The state government says locals helped to find the men.
ये लोगों से जो सूचना मिली, उस सूचना के आधार पर लोकेशन मिली और हमारी पुलिस उन तक पहुंच गई और बाद में मुठभेड़ में भी मारे गए.
But very soon contradictions stumbled out. The Home Minister told NDTV that the men had no weapons other than the prison plates they had improvised to make their escape.
जो जेल में इनको खाने के लिए थाली चम्मच वगैरह मिलते हैं, उसके इन्होंने हथियार बनाए हुए थे. उसी से इन्होंने एक जेल के प्रहरी का मर्डर किया और उसके बाद में भी पुलिस पर हमला किया. पुलिस को इसके अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं था मारने के अलावा, नहीं तो ये भाग जाते.
But the police say they were fired upon.
आरोपियों द्वारा जो है इसमें भागने के प्रयास करने के चक्कर में उनके द्वारा फायर किया गया. पुलिस द्वारा आत्मरक्षा जो फायर किया गया उसमें ये सारे जो है इन लोग की डेथ हो गई.
As proof, the police pointed to this country-made gun at the encounter spot, but they had no explanation for how the men had accessed it in such a short period of time. And then the damning amateur video. What appears to be a sharpened steel plate, perhaps the same used as a weapon in the jailbreak, is yanked from the belt of one of the dead men. Another policeman fires, and in the audio he's asked to fire at a limp body, but he refuses, saying he's being filmed. The entire episode has led to questions being asked not just about the encounter but also the jailbreak.
The Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh says that these under trials were armed with spoons and the Madhya Pradesh ATS could have easily overpowered them.
The men themselves, who faced charges ranging from bank robbery to sedition, were kept in a high secured section of the jail which was being monitored using CCTV cameras, raising questions as to how they could manage to escape.
कहीं न कहीं ये जेल प्रबंधन जो भोपाल का है उसकी लापरवाही से ये घटना हुई है और इसमें माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने जो जेल के भोपाल जेल के सभी अधिकारियों को निलंबित कर दिया है.
With Manas Pratap, Srinivasan Jain, Rizwan Khan and Siddharth Ranjan Das, Chetan Bhattacharjee for NDTV.